it to the pilot. He's got the second key. Wait for my signal.
Give Cypher my regards.
On.
In position.
Go. I'm in. All right, Governor. It's gonna get noisy. This is for your ears. Good? Let's go.
No, stop him! Do not let him get off this plane!
All right, little man. This might be a little scary. It's gonna be a lot of fun. How's the music? Good? Go for a ride. Back in a sec. Where's that smile? There it is. You're gonna shoot a baby? You sick bastard. You're not gonna want to see this. Is that you or him?